In today's video, I am going to teach you how to compare trading instruments on Pepperstone. To begin, make sure you are already logged into your Pepperstone Trader platform. Once you are on the main trading screen, look to the left side of the platform. This is where you will find the Watch Lists panel. The Watch List is where you can quickly view available trading instruments and monitor their key market data. Start by selecting the first trading instrument that you want to compare. In the Watch List, review the bid price, the ask price, and the daily price movement for that instrument. This gives you a quick snapshot of its current market position and how it is performing during the day. Next, select a second trading instrument from the same watch list. Once again, review its bid price, ask price, and daily price movement. By checking the same details for both instruments, you can begin to compare their pricing and short-term performance directly from the watch list. This will load the chart so you can view its price action in more detail. Then open the second instrument in another chart tab. With both instruments open in separate tabs, you can move back and forth between them to compare how their prices are moving on the charts. As you switch between the chart tabs, pay attention to the overall trend, recent highs and lows, and the speed of price movement. This helps you go beyond the basic figures shown in the watch list and gives you a clearer view of how each instrument is behaving in the market. You should also review the market information for each trading instrument. This can help you confirm the details you saw in the watch list and support your comparison with additional pricing and trading data available on the platform. Once you have checked the watch list data, opened both charts, and reviewed the market information, you will be able to compare multiple trading instruments efficiently using Pepperstone Trader. This method allows you to compare pricing, movement, and chart behavior in one place. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.